In the endeavor to construct bridges across rivers, identifying roads intersecting these water bodies is crucial. This video explores the application of intersection tool in MAPOG for this purpose. The intersection tool in GIS refers to a spatial analysis method used to identify intersections between two or more datasets. The output map generated through this project displays the identified intersections between roads and rivers. Navigating to the MAPOG map analysis tool, add the GIS data for our needs. MAPOG provides a wide range of data. Here, the road line and river line data in an area is needed. You can either select manually or use the AI search option for data addition. Select the river line data and add it to the layer. Likewise, add the road line data to this platform. You can even check out the data tables by going to the Action button and selecting Show Data Table option. Give the title of the project instead of an untitled one. You can also give a description of your project in the description box. Also, rename the layer name by clicking on the Action button for better understanding. We can make these lines, representing roads and rivers, more colorful by selecting the Action button and applying basic styles. Select the color and save it. For finding the road-river intersections, select the Analysis Data menu. Then a window for proximity analysis appears. Select the option for the intersection of data. Then submit the data. The result shows the number of intersections. Publish the data and hide all other layers to identify the road-river intersection points. Share the map to the public using Share Data menu. The intersection tool in MAPOG offers a powerful means to identify road-river intersections, facilitating informed decision-making in bridge construction projects. For queries, contact our support team. Thanks for watching.